Tata, choose me, Angelo. So, stop muna si Tata because makuha ng anik-anik. Ayan guys, so hindi tayo nag-ayos-ayos ng mukha. Kasi pag matapos na to lahat, i-prepare ko, magsisidlings ako. Ito, magsisidlings tayo guys. What good thing about my garden guys is, ito lang, main door na namin, tsaka gulayan ko na. So dati naman is, hindi sila nabuhay. So buti na lang last year nabuhay sila dito. Dito yung ampalaya ko rin. Oh, meron pa. Ito. So, ayan. So, here's my Filipino vegetables here. If it's springtime, so we're going to plant seedlings. And then, this spot is the peas, green peas, beans, and potatoes. So, kailangan pa yan trakturin ito. Gamitin ito, guys. Dahil hindi pwede mano-mano rito. And then, ayan, si Tata lang talaga, guys. Ito, olives yan. Olive fields namin dito. Ayan. Side yard and backyard. Ayan, olives yan. So, season nito is December. Tapos na. I hope this year marami kaming makuha ilang kilo. Pag konti lang, ilang kilo lang. So, hindi kami magka-harvest. So, dito na aking jusawa, guys. Ayan. Hindi lang natin siya kamerahan because ayaw niya magpa-kamera. So, mga ganito lang ang kamerahan ko. Nishta. Heidi. Angela! Doji! So, family gardening time. Ayan. What you do now? Oh, pet! Okay. Okay. Continue now. 12 million viewers in the house. Miguel out shout out. So, yan. Netak ba? Taren! Okay. Pula ko. Did you hit? Now, hit now. Where you hit? Baby. That's bully, ha? That's bully. This is super snow. Wait, okay. Mama remove this, okay? Kalambit-lambit naman ito. Tamsak, salamat! Ernesto Parlunga, salamat. Angela hit? Be. Wait, where you hit it? Where you hit? Where you hit yourself? Oh, what na? Tamsak ka diyo. Where you hit yourself? What happened? Don't cry. Bully? This one? Where you hit that? Salamat!